Welcome friends, I am Urmila Gurgude. This is our 10th standard class. Okay, and we are studying art appreciation. This book, self-development is, and in the previous period, we are talking about some famous artists in the world, the Western, then Indian. We already talking about Western artists. Now, today, in the remaining lesson, we are talking about some Indian artists which are famous for their nice art. Jamil Rai, we discussed in the previous lesson. Now, today, we are talking about Ram Kinkar Pais. Okay. So let's read the passage first. Here we have three sculpture pictures. Mill call. The first one is an indication that the mill shift begins. So after shifting of mill, the workers are going their hurry. We seen they are very busy to work fast. Likewise, we seen that. Then Santal family is the Santal family only, and the third one, Dandi Yatra, related to Mahatma Gandhi. You know that these all subjects are very social subjects related to the social community. Let's see the passage first, and after all, we are talking. Bais was a famous sculptor from West Bengal. His art is seen to be inspired from the lifestyle of the Dalit and Adivasi communities. Inspired by the local artists, sculptors, and observing their work, he made small piece of artwork since his childhood in his little life. His sculptures stood out to be distinct and different from their subjects and style. However, in 1938, he began deviating from this style by creating sculptures of a Santhal and Adivasi community family. In his work, he always tried to sculpture the beauty in the life of communities engaged in manual labor. Milkal, created in 1956 in Shantiniketan, is considered to be a very important sculpture. The sculpture depicts women walking briskly on hearing the mill siren, being followed by a child. The speed of the woman walking, the child running has been depicted very beautifully in this sculpture. The movement of the dust flying due to their action has also been captured. His style consisted of creating sculptures using laterite and cement. Laterite and cement. Laterite is one kind of red soil. It is mostly used to form sculptures, create sculptures. Okay, and cement, you know, here all the three pictures are discussed here. See the first one, this mill call picture. Some women are walking briskly. Briskly means what? Hurriedly, very fastly. The movements are very fast. They don't have much more time to walk slowly. So they're trying to reach that particular place as early as possible. This type of real movement we can see in this sculpture. And one more thing, a small kid was also running after them, and this all the things are depicted. Depicted means showed or described through the sculpture of Bais, Ram Kinkar Pais. So think how many things he shown in his sculpture. That is unique one and nice. And Santal family also shown here. That means the Adivasi peoples. All the subjects of his sculpture are related to the common man, worker, the real pictures in the society. What's going on in the society, all the moments that are happened and going to happen are captured through his sculpture. Understand? So he is a nice sculptor. Then Dandi Yatra. That time 1938, 1956 we seen here. That is a sensitive period for our Indians, you know that. So his style always insisted of creating sculptures using laterite and cement. And how he learned, how he found out to make this sculpture style from his childhood. He watched all the sculptures done by the other artists. He was attracted towards that sculpture art and trying his own art on his waist. In this way, he is known for us nowadays as a well-known Indian sculptor. Here, he began deviating from these by creating sculpture. Deviating. Deviating means what? Different. His subjects are always different from the others. Others usually uses subjects like happiness, beauty, watching surrounding. But we seen that Ram Kinkar is very different from other artists. His subjects are related to the real community, real happenings in daily life in Adivasi and Dalit people, which are not noticeable by other community. In this way, he wants to throw light on their difficult, hard life through his sculptures. Understand? So he is a social artist trying to help that peoples through his art. That's why he is very famous and creative artist in our India. Understand? Come to the next artist, Narayan Sridhar Bendre, 1910 to 1992. Here also we have three pictures: Thorn, Makeup and Landscape. So Thorn depicts the difficult life, and this picture shows a type of abstract. It is not a real figures we see there. It is the abstract drawing. Then Makeup, this visual art is a real one, and the daily happenings we see in there. Makeup, the daily routine work it is, and then landscape, you know that. So all types of subjects he handled that shows beauty and all other emotions through his abstract art. Okay, so Narayan Sridhar Bendre was born in Indore. He made a name for himself as a landscape artist. Worked in landscape more than the other subjects. The use of colors in his artwork is considered very special since he was fond of traveling around India and the world. His style is seen to be a mixture of Indian and Western styles. His art style is a mixture of Western and Indian style. Understand? So how was the Western style and how was the Indian style? Westerns always try to apply colors like a real one, a real skin of any material, whether it is skin of that model or that model's drapery. They shows real things, their pictures are feels like realistic more than our Indians. Indians draw their pictures decorative, mostly decorative things, lovable. Instead, they don't show that the drawing is very real. The drawing is always, the figures are very short or very very long or flat coloring we see in our Indian art. But in the Western art, they show the real mold, uses perspective, uses deftness. All these things they use. So these Narayan Sridhar Bendre observes, study that pictures and take that point which are not seen in our Indian pictures. He added that points here and creates this nice creativity. Okay. He did not approve of sticking to anyone's style or subject. He found his own style only. The subjects of his artworks ranged from everyday incidents to abstract emotion. Ranged means from this to this. This much is the range. We called it anything extended from this point to this point. That is extended. Ranged, we can see it between the specific target. His subjects are included. Everyday life subjects and to the abstract drawing. His life journey, art journey is like this, and the subjects are like this. Understand? His artwork mostly bring out peaceful and harmonious emotions. In 1992, he was awarded Padma Bhushan. Our government awarded him by Padma Bhushan award. Very popular, famous award it is. Proudful because of his peaceful and harmonious emotional paintings. He worked all the daily life's emotions. On that, he mostly draws his pictures, and which are very liked by our people and other country too. So he is a famous artist, and in this way, his art style is like this. All the subjects are extended in between. What can we say? In between the real subjects, daily subjects to the abstract subjects. Much more fields he experienced in his art life. Much more studied in that. We cannot imagine how many works he's done. That's why he was awarded by our government. Okay, you can learn about him to the network too. So come to the next. Dinanath Damodar Dalal, 1916-1971. Dinanath Dalal was famous for his cover pages, cartoons, story strips, calendars, and picture series published in leading magazines of those times. He was very well received by both the masses and the critics. His artwork given alongside will instantly strike chord with everyone. Strike means what? Strike, you know that subject in different way, but here the strike word is related. Like we can say it is a straight line. It is chord, straight line. We can say this is the one type of effect on us from his art. Understand? So strike means we affected by his art. His art keep an influence in our mind, touches our minds. That is strike. To strike a chord, it is a phrase like this. Okay, a straight line we can say. We can say it is a string that attaches our minds to his art. Okay, so this very nice art. It is, see the cover page. One picture is given here. Very famous picture it is. In our time, we always seen this picture in each and every Balbharti textbook. My books are like that. All the cover pages are included with this sticker. A very famous picture it is. I remember it. Like me, all the people remembered that picture. Many times its covers are included with cartoons too. Or some stories are depicted through his pictures. We accept him as a real close artist. The subjects are very close to us, very daily life subjects, and we are very nearer to that subjects. We experience that subjects. All these pictures are capable to remember our life incidents while watching the pictures, and that touches our minds. That keeps the influence on our mind firmly. We remember them, we love them. After watching, we feel a nice feeling, and that experience is related with our experience. So this art is very, very near to us, near to our heart. We love it. Understand? That is called as a strike on our mind. Understand? A sting or attraction. We come to know what is that experience and what is our experience through his art. Likewise, the effect is that. Likewise, the strike is that. Understand? He done all the types of pictures for magazines, newspapers, and all these social activities, social things which we use that time. We mostly use network in our days. Now, but that time, mostly people read all the happening things by these pamphlets, stickers, through the magazines, papers, posters. Likewise, the media is that time. Understand? So all these visual arts needs pictures, and uh, these pictures are drawn mostly by Dalal. So he is a famous and nice artist, obviously. So come to the next page. Here we have one more famous artist. She is also known for daily life's subjects, emotions. Her name is B. Prabha, 1933 to 2001. B. Prabha completed her education in art from the JJ School of Art in Mumbai. You know that she started working at a time when not many women artists were active in this field. So that time, women are not going too much far to take education. JJ School of Art is in Mumbai only. So while we want to take that type of art education, we have to go there, stay there. Many women that time, many girls not capable to choose that field. Understand? But B. Prabha, she was interested in this field and taken her education in JJ School of Art. World famous university it is, you know that. She was highly influenced by Amrita Sergil. So Amrita Sergil, she was that time a very famous artist. She also draws many pictures related to women and their emotions. Most of Prabha's paintings depict elongated, melancholy figures of rural women. The rural woman means what? The women living in villages. They are not noticed, much noticed by other society. We are come to know about them through the pictures of B. Prabha, because he was always trying that subjects related to the ruler women only and their emotions, what the hard time that women faces in their daily life. Melancholy means what? It is sadness, sad things, bad things, hard life deeds, tough life deeds to survive the, or to face the other people around them. That time the women are facing much more problems, and B. Prabha shows that problems through her heart. Understand? So melancholy means sad things. Elongated melancholy figures means what? Elongated, long means extended. More about, in Marathi we can say that vadhavni. See, mostly use that subjects related to the ruler woman's melancholy emotions. Okay, her style of using only one prominent color in a painting can be seen in most of her paintings. A prominent means, see, like most that fixed color, that is we seen here, brown color it is, brown, white, dark brown, and sometimes we see in here white and red. These fixed prominent colors he used like that. All the colors shows sadness. They carry sadness with them. That colors quality is that showing that type of emotions. That's why she uses that shades. Understand? She mostly created oil paintings. Her paintings depict women's social conditions, their hardship, their suffering, and their courage in the face of disorders. Odds means what? Difficult, bad, uh, opposite thing. Then also all the type of hardness in their life in that ruler women, though they shows their courage to face that type of difficulty in their life, and these type of emotions we can see easily in B. Prabha's pictures. Likewise, we understand from these lines all the sufferings means sorrow, feeling sad, toughness, all these things we seen in her pictures. She often gave voice to women's suppressed feelings. Suppressed means contracted, pressurized. That time, women are pressurized by other people many times. They don't have much more freedom to do the things that they like. They don't have freedom. Nobody allowed them to do that. So all the women are living in very pressurized surrounding. We can call it suppressed feeling here. Suppressed feeling is that, and that feeling also we see in B. Prabha's paintings. Understand? So very deeply she studied the emotions of rural woman that time. I haven't seen a single happy woman, she once said. So what can we understand from this line? In those days the women are simply sad. No freedom, no happiness, and no free life at all. She simply understands the sadness everywhere. No single woman she also find in that community that she was happy wandering here and there and talking lovingly, not like that. These type of emotions we are not seen in that rural community. So you can imagine how hard life they survived that time. Very much hard it is. We cannot imagine that suffering, that hardness, that tough life, that suppressed feelings. We cannot imagine. Her paintings were selected for many exhibitions in and outside India. Others were also selected her paintings because the paintings touches our heart. All the real emotions are shown in her pictures. She talks about that problems through her art. She sends messages. This type of ruler women faces like this toughness. She sends that message throughout the world with her paintings. In this way, she helps our community to using her art. So obviously, she was famous in our community and all the world. Understand? So let's create your own. See the next point. Let's create. Let's create. Interesting point it is. Let's see what is given there. In order to create the art forms mentioned below, you need to remember 3 rules. Okay. When we decided to create our own art, 3 rules must be remembered in mind. And what are they? Let's see. What are they? Enjoy what you are doing. The goal is not to come up with a beautiful piece of art. The art forms below are called process art. You are going to create something for your own pleasure. You need not show it to anybody. So very simple but useful thought it is. What is the rule says us? So don't think about others. Think about your pleasure. You want to create your own art piece. That's why do whatever you want to do. Focus on that only. And suppose the art piece is not so good you expected. So that is not for others. It is for your pleasure only. So do these type of things for your enjoyment, for your pleasure only, not for others. Think about you only. Think about your art only. Related these things only hints. Forget about the other world. Understand? Likewise, this first rule says to you. Otherwise, you while starting your art, oh no, I am not expecting like this. I want to show this nicely, and you stop there. By if you think about the other people, so stop thinking about the other people. Only think about your enjoyment, how it is. Don't thought about it. Simply start the work and complete it. Enjoy that period only. This type of first rule is very important for each and every artist because it is the progress art only. Process it is starting, connecting to the art. That type of process only. You are not a artist now. You are trying to keep the art near you. You are enjoying the art. You are trying to feel the happiness, the beauty around you. You are trying to forget all the other affected things. That wise, like that. Likewise, we have to think while create an art our own. Understand? Now see the second one. Do not overthink. Go with the flow. Whatever emerges is fine. There is nothing right and wrong at all in it. Understand? So each and every picture is correct to that place. Like a small kid. draw like that, two lines only, two dots for eyes, or two big circles for eyes. So that is eyes only drawn by him. Very correct it is. We cannot say that there are no upper lid or lower lid or other things included related to the eye. Not like that. That is correct, because the kid is very small. He shows his art, what he thinks, what he imagines, what he can do, what is his capacity. Like this. So don't think, overthink. Moreover, or about. Simple thinking is needful here while started our artwork. First time, second time, third time. When we are capable to do a nice art, that time we can think deeply about it. But not now. This is the only starting process, and we are studying how to create nice art. Think like that. You are slowly emerges of fine art. So practice till then. Enjoy the art only. Forget about the others. The second thing says you don't think. Moreover, overthinking affects your art. You may be stopped there. You may be angry seeing your art. So not like that. Simply enjoy that activity. The second rule says like that. Because in art there is nothing right and wrong. Okay. And number 3, do not stop trying under any circumstances. Keep on experimenting. So do not stop. When this happens, only when you forget about the others and simply enjoy the activity, that time you can continue that activity only. Understand it? So happiness is more important. We can say most important in all the activities. When we are happy, we can start any type of work and we can complete that activity nicely. We cannot stop that activity in between that incomplete activity. We complete it mostly because happiness helps us to do this, because we get happiness. Our brain needs happiness. I already told you. Understand? So each and every thing, each and every activity happens in our life, or we create in our life, or we active in our life, is only related with our happiness. Its effect, its output, its result mostly depends on our happiness. So do all the things lovingly, eat lovingly, or simple things, study lovingly. Each and everything, whatever you do in your daily life, each and everything, comb your hairs lovingly, all the things, help others lovingly, each and everything. If you take more and more interest in that, you get happiness only. You are not bothered from that activity. Maybe it is daily life, routine work, bathing also, wearing clothes, all the things. Though the clothes are not new, but wear it with happiness, lovingly only. So you can always keep you in nice emotions with you, and that is only happiness. And after that, what is the result? Your thoughts always positive, and what is the result depend upon that? That is your activity too. It's very good for you, others too. Understand? So in this way, you are walking to the way which is very nice, all other people and to you also, and we call that person as a hero or a good citizen. Understand? Like this, art is very effective or very useful to our lives. Understand? So see the next point. Try to do drawing layers of objects. So how we can do drawing layers on objects? So let's see here. Begin with the floor, a bed sheet, on top of it. So we have a floor in our home and lay there a bed sheet. Okay, a book kept on the bed sheet, then book keep on then on the bed sheet, a teacup on the book, then another book on top of it. So first book, then cup, again one book. Understand? Likewise, a folded piece of cloth over it, and then on that book keep a folded cloth. Okay. Then newspaper on top of it, then a bucket over it. It is empty, obviously. A plate on the top, again. A cat sitting on the plate, etc. We are keeping the things in, over the under below that one thing, and upper side again one more thing, and again top one more thing. Likewise we are arranges thing. That is the arrangement only. Okay, this is the balance arrangement. We try to keep a balance in that things only by arranging them on the top of each other. Okay, so think, when there is a cat, what happens? Whenever to draw the objects realistically, example, if it is a cloth, it will come down from the sides, paper would stay straight or just as you please. It's something for you to decide. It is okay even if you feel like creating a collage by sticking together pieces of paper. When you doing that type of arrangement, what things maybe happens that are written here only. The cloth coming downside, maybe, or which paper we keep there, it stay like straight, that type keep balance, stay there. No, we cannot see any movement in that paper, but we see any type of movement coming down like this maybe happened with the cloth. Or think about the cat too. So all these things maybe happens when we arranged. Our bucket is very big, and in that bucket we keep a dish, and on that dish there is a cat. So cat is inside the bucket, and bucket is over that paper. So just imagine if there is a balance and staying for little while time period, or what is that, what are the related happenings, you can imagine, or you can doing that activity at home too. For understanding the real effect, you can do that, no problem. So these all the effects are related with this activity. Layers are there, we call them, how are the layers, the lower layer, upper layer, then upper layer, then upper layer. We see much more layers are related to each other, connected to each other. Which layer shows a nice bonding with the other layer, or which not showing the bonding and keep coming down. Like this we can understand the moments in this activity. These are all related to our feelings, our daily lives happenings, like this. The deep thought is like that. It is okay even if you feel like creating a collage. In this way we can create a collage too. So collage is one type of visual art. We use paper cuts, cutouts through any instrument, or simply with our hands tearing the papers and sticking them on our drawing. We can create a nice picture that is called as collage. Understand? Instead of using colors, we use only colored papers. And maybe the papers are collected from magazines, colored newspapers, colored other pamphlets, other wasted papers or clothes, or we can create our own textures too. Likewise, we use that papers for doing our art. That type of picture is called collage. Very nice art it is. See the next page. In such art piece, it is possible to balance objects which would normally not balance over each other. So in this type of art, we can use the balance. What we say? Emotions, balance conditions well in collage picture instead of keeping things over on it. It is difficult to have a balance. It is very difficult. But in the picture of collage, we can do all the difficult things easily through the collage art. We can have a nice balance in the different things too. Okay, that type of art is that, and this visual art is also very interesting. Try this art also. Okay, see the second point. Drawing with your feet, very different activity. Instead of using our hands, we have to use our feet only. So let's see the lines. Hold your pencil or pen between the toes of your foot. You can also hold the pen or pencil between the heels of your feet. Try to hold the pencil in your mouth and talk. We can hold a pencil in our mouth too and draw a picture, or we can fix a pencil in our toes or in our nails too. So in this way we can use other body parts for drawing instead of our fingers or hand. So how was that art looking? Try to take that experience too. Understand? And you can see all the pictures in social media too. Many people tried this activity. I too seen that pictures. Nice activity it is. Okay. Number 3, creating art from waste. Try to make a face out of any form of waste. You can do this when you have time on your hands or need a break. When you need a break, when you are so much tired to face other things, tired to keep a balance with other people around you, when you are mindly tired, that time you need a break to keep your mind balanced. For that, use that balance activities, collage, or balancing things like this. These are all balancing activities which helps us to keep our mind balanced, keep our emotions balanced, keep you stable. Okay, so this art is done by the waste material only. Collect all the waste which you don't need, collect them and balancing them, try to draw a face. When we observe that arrangement by this on the sides, we can see in that one type of face we can understand easily. And this type of art also we seen in social media, I too, and very popular also. Very much likeness we see in there. So nice activity it is also, that diverts your mind, keep your mind fresh, free from other difficulties. Okay, that waste material gives you happiness. So nothing is waste in this world, because there is art. We can see in everywhere beauty in waste material too, through the art. So just imagine how art is useful. Artful teaches you to see the beauty in waste too. Understand? Number 4, creating art using dust. Make a paper wet by sprinkling some water on it. sprinkle some water on in a dry paper, wet it, and after that press it against the dust on the floor or the cobwebs. Try to see some picture that emerges out of it. So use cobwebs or dust. When we use that cobwebs or dust on that wet paper, after some time we can see some type of figures are made automatically, emerges out automatically on that paper. Emerges out means we can see, we can imagine different types of figures on that paper, which we are not trying to draw. They emerge automatically using that material because our paper is wet already, and when it dry we see all that type of figures on that paper. Okay, this is one more activity and nice. Also very simple. Try to add to it by using your pen, pencil or colors to create something new. And which figures you seen there, which figures are emerges from that paper, you can understand. Try to give them an outline. Use your pen or pencil, anything what you want, and in this way you can doing a nice art. One type of visual art it is that gives you happiness, keep you away from the stress, gives you a nice break. Understand? Number 5, creating art using black color only. Interesting activity. Let's see. Many a times people have some preconceived notions around the color black. Preconceived notions means we avoid that black color many times. We do not like that black color. Most pupils don't use that black color that is present in their color box. That line says like us, like that. Many people dislike it. However, if used approximately, it can look as good as or maybe better than other colors. Use your imagination. Can you create something using only black color? And it says, can you imagine? Use only black color and it says you can draw a nice art piece too. So try to love the black color too. It is very nice from other colors too. If you use that color artistically, lovingly, so don't avoid it. You can use black color and it shades. That color is very nice in itself. And we have 2 pictures here. First one is with our dust activity, and second one we see here. Girl is there using the black shades only. Nice picture it is. Watchable, lovable. So don't ignore the black color too. Okay? Try the black color and do the activity. Number 6, planar geometry. Okay, well, what is that? You see, discuss about the method to create different geometric shapes and also about where they can be found with the help of the mathematics textbook. In the mathematics, we see all that type of basic shapes. Here we have cuboid and sphere, front view, side view, and plan. We can see clearly here. The last one is plan, and upper that we see the front view, and near that the third one is side view. You know that, you learned it in previous classes, so you know already. Try to draw this also. Use your mathematical instruments. Turn the page. And if you understand, if you want to understand more about that planar geometry, you can watch my other videos too, related to 6th standard, 7th standard, and 8th standard. So I am teaching the plane geometry continuously. Okay. Number 7, page number 48, coloring therapy. Now this new activity is related to therapy, treatment it is, mind treatment. Okay. Number 7, therapy refers to a method of healing something. Healing means what? To get an influence or effect. Healing means effect only in simple manner. Art can also be used as an therapy. Coloring therapy includes some designs which are pleasing to the eye. These designs are intricate. It is expected to color the designs as a part of the therapy. As your mind is engrossed in it, you tend to forget the trace. This is the philosophy of this therapy. Look at the designs in below, complicate and color it. That type of activity is for you only. Let's talk about that. These designs are intricate. Intricate means what? Complicated. All the lines are integrated with each other, connected with each other. Some lines are going inside, coming up like this. We not seen a simple manner in that. They are all connected, complicated in each other. That is intricate. That is interaction, interconnection of the lines, which shows not a nice emotion. It is shows complication emotions to us. Okay, not straight lines we need there. All the lines are entered or coming out, entered and coming out. Interaction in that lines we see are like a wave only, in simple way. In simple word, it's like a wave. Okay, interacted with each other. That is intricate. This type of design are that, and we have to color it and complete it. Why? Because this is one type of therapy only. This treatment treats our mind when we have complications in our daily life, and we are much more affected. We cannot think other happy things because we are always find us to deep inside that complications that affect our activity, our daily life, and affects others too. Others are worried about you. So you must have to keep you away from that depression, from that pressure, from that complications. And when it happens, when you feel happiness, only when that time you keep you away from that pressure, from that bad things, from that bad thinkings. You feel free, nice, only when you are connected with art. That means art treats us in a nice way. Keep you away from the daily stress, daily sufferings. Understand? This is one type of use of art in your life. This art affects us, keep a nice effect on you. That is healing art. Understand? So this is one type of therapy, and you have to do that. And many doctors give likewise advice to connect you with any type of art. You feel a nice feeling. You keeps you away from that trace. You can divert your bad thoughts. Many people are giving that type of advice to us. Understand? That's why you have many type of activities in your curriculum. Sometimes we are busy on playing games, on the ground playing games. Sometimes we are busy to listen lectures, or when we listen some much more lectures or related many more difficult subjects. You have a drawing subject that relaxes you, or you have a PT time that also relaxes you. That activities are simply good for you, your health, your mind stability. When we are stable with our emotions, only that time we are healthy. Understand? So healthy mind and healthy body connected with each other. Very needful things. So watch these pictures and try to color it well. This activity is for you only. Come to the next page. Field visit here. Field visit means trip for you. Going outside from our city, long way. Wander freely, connect with the nature, watch the beauty around you. That is the visit field. Okay, field visit it is. So let's read the two paragraphs we have here and two pictures too. The first picture is related to Buddha, and the second picture, Buddha Vihar it is. In history you can know about it more. Okay, we get to know about the lifestyle, culture and artistic vision of the ancient people by looking at the architecture of their period. So we already know that when we have to understand the old time, we have to study the art pieces, their architecture or other monuments. So simple thing it is. In this way also art is very useful to our community. Our understanding of art matures through this process. Matures means we know more about the previous cultures through the art only. Buddhist caves are situated in the Ajanta mountain range, 60 miles north from Aurangabad. These Buddhist caves at Karli are known for their architecture. These are all Buddhist caves and known for architecture. That time architecture is very much progressed. We can see that we simply surprised seeing that monuments, how they can be made like that. And you know that Kailas Mandir in Veru near Aurangabad, this is the only one monument in whole world, only one. No other similar monument we see in our world, whole world. Understand? A single unique thing only we have in our country, that is Kailas Mandir. You can learn more about that mandir, or you can visit that mandir through the social media or using it. Okay, try to learn more about that Kailas Mandir. It is proud of a thing as an Indian. Understand? You must know that it is our culture, our great culture. Okay. Likewise, the Ajanta and Karli caves also related to Buddha's life history. And when we see that pictures or other things, all the carving, flowers or that upper portion all other things when we see that we simply surprised after seeing that. So you must visit there. Okay, arrange field visit. Arrange a field visit to an ancient architectural building in your area. Note your observations. So near your city, there is also some architectural building that you have to study or you have to visit there. You have to see all the things near you also. So that field trip is very easy for you. You can go there with your family or you are in 10th standard. So all the 4, 5 or friends collectively arranging any trip, you can also visit there. Instead of wandering here and there, wasting time, late night coming home. Instead of this, that is better for you. Understand? So visit that places, try to visit that places, try to understand more about that places because that is our culture only. Okay. What type of art do you like? This topic is related to our likeness only. What you like? Let's understand what we like. Art is a very subjective form of expression. Expressions, emotions. We are always sharing our emotions with others, friends, parents, teachers, anybody around you, or any thing that is not a live man-made thing. We can talk about that things too, like our toys. We take toys in our hand and talking like a person. Treat like a real person and we share our emotions with that man thing too. So this is the natural activity of each and every person. Okay, and art helps you to show the emotions through the art. This is also one more effect of art on our lives. Important thing it is. Whatever is beautiful for one person need not be liked by other. So what do you see in that it is beautiful, others maybe can. What do you see in beautiful in that piece? I don't see any beauty. Likewise, the thoughts may be opposites to each other. Understand? Hence, it is not correct to classify art as good or bad. So what is the result? We cannot declare that art is good or bad. Which we feel bad, some other maybe feel good. So we cannot bound it in a result that it is bad or good. It is simply great only. Understand? Then maybe whatever it be, simply remember the one art. Art, goodness, happiness and beauty. Art, this word is not related to bad, sad things or other effects which our brain did not keep to near it. So art is related with the nice words and nice activity only, not the wrong things. Understand? So keep it in mind. Come to the next point. The same point, next paragraph, we see here. What is that? Why you liked or did not like a particular piece of art. So why our likes and dislikes changes. It is important to articulate why we like or do not like a piece of art, trying to find what we exactly like or not like in the drawing and trying to express it in words helps in developing our sense of art. We learn to see different aspects of beauty in the art piece. We learned much more things through the art. How to keep us happy, how to keep us away from the wrong things, how to create nice things, how to see simply beauty around you. Much more things we learn through the art. Understand? So different aspects are connected to this word. Okay, this word is simulate. Okay, that's not important. How the art is look like good or bad, but that thing is important. What are your likes or dislikes related to that art piece? Take any art piece in front of you, keep it in front of you, and try to think about this. Why you like this, and the another why you don't like this. After thinking, try to write that related points on your notebook. That type of activity is for you. Understand? So try to write down your likes related to that arts and your dislikes related to that art. Understand? The different pieces. In this way you can express your emotions, or you can understand your expectations from the art piece. Understand what you expect from that artist. You must understand by doing this activity, so that you have to write it down, all the points related to your likes or dislikes. Okay, so try to change in you like a critic only. Critics are mostly talking about any art piece. They are talking about that art piece tells like that, or that is good, or tells like that, that is not very good for community. Likewise, they criticize any art piece. So you also trying to be a critic only. Understand? Come to the next point. Do these things. See different features in newspaper, magazines, and books. Try to think about what exactly you liked in them and clearly express it in your words. For that, you need some art pieces to criticize, or write it down related to the two words like or dislikes. You need some art pieces, obviously, and you can find that pictures in newspapers, magazines, or books. Okay, so try to think about that pictures, exactly what you want in that picture, or in that picture you don't want that. Likewise only. So try to analyze at least 5 pictures. You may use the given points, and you may can add your own point too. So here you have some points here: subject, layout, imagination, color combination, style, the use of light and shadow, etc. Suppose you keep a picture in front of you, and the first point is subject. So what do you understand from that picture? You can understand the flood around you, or flood in that particular city, in that particular area. What is that? What you can understand through this photo or picture. Write the subject, what you understand, which subject you understand. Okay. Then color combination, how the picture looks like. What are the color combinations? Opposite colors are combined, all the related colors are combined, or many types of color schemes we have in our art field. Which type of color scheme you notice there, you have to write it down. Then layout. Layout means throughout the pictures, layout is a landscape type or portrait style. What you understand is this layout is maybe portrait, so looks better, or maybe like in circle looks better. What are the point of views related to the layout of that particular picture? Write it down. Okay. And then style, then coloring style, or all the things. If that is a photo only, so instead of photo, use the pictures. What I want to say? Paintings it is. Use paintings. Then only you can write about the color scheme and the style too. Okay. Style means coloring of stroking of that applications, different shades, plain stroking, or giving dots, that mask may be fill up, or using more lines, or using textures. All the things are the style of that particular artist only. Understand? Then imagination. What we can imagine through this art, or maybe the artist's imagination is what kind of we can understand. We after thinking we notice something from that art piece. So every art gives a message to us. So what is that message? Try to find it out and then write it out. And number 6 is use of light and shadow shades. Whether there are some shadow or light shades or only middle color is used. All the things you have to observe keenly. Many times when you observe that picture, that painting, you can understand the dark shades are more we can see, or the light shades are more we can see, or there is a nice balance in between these two opposite shades, or any particular color is we can see that color's presence more related or compared to the other shades. That type of our thinking or observation you have to write in this analyze activity. Understand? So try to analyze, try to predict, try to describe, try to depict. All is in your hand. This activity is for you only. So don't skip it. Turn the page. Come to the next point. Career in the field of art. Important for you. A career in visual art can begin either after 10th or 12th standard. So nowadays this is mostly after 10th standard and after 12th standard, and after 10th standard you can get admission in the foundation course only, and that's CTC, craft teacher course. Okay. After 10, one can get admission of foundation or Juilliard courses. Many prefer to do art teachers diploma after the foundation course. Juilliard is a 4-year course after which we can study applied arts and fine arts. Diploma can also be done after 12th standard. So after 12th standard, you can get admission in art teachers diploma. That diploma is equivalent to D.Ed. After completed this education, you are like a art teacher only. Okay. And what is foundation? Foundation, it is a basic course. When you complete that 1 year basic course, after 10 or 12, maybe whatever it be, you can capable to get admission in architecture or in other fields of related to applied arts or fine arts, sculpture, then interior decor. Here we have in recent times courses like sculpting, fashion designing, architecture, jewelry design, animation, interior decoration, photography, etc. are also easily available after that foundation course. That is the basic course for you. On that NEET exam too, you need. Okay. In this way, when you want to do a career in this field, you have to get that type of education. First of all, you have to complete foundation course. Or if you choose simply art teachers diploma, no need to do foundation. You directly get an admission in the first year of that diploma. This art teacher diploma is of 2 years. Okay, but government diploma in arts, that is Juilliard, this course is of 4 years. And if you complete art teachers diploma and after that you decided to do the Juilliard course, government diploma, you directly admitted in the 3rd year, intermediate, it is called as intermediate. Okay, and after intermediate, only 2 years are remains. Your 2 years are counted there. Understand? So you can do your career in that type, in this field also, and understand all the features, all the things, all the color schemes, all the related basic shapes, the textures, lines, all that thing, all basic elements you can deeply study, understand. Western artists, Indian artists, all nowadays coming artists, there are different types of art skills, art forms, different types of experiments you can done through the courses. So nice field it is. Okay, and more information can be seen on the given site. The site is given for you, mahacareermitra.in. So mahacareermitra, www.mahacareermitra.in. If you go through this website, you can understand much more faculties here given already: sculpting, fashion designing, related to interior decoration, all these things. This floor tile also need every type of art designs. This field is very popular nowadays, so you can also having a nice job in that related company to understand. So through the art, make much more jobs are in front of you only. You can choose them, you can survive, and without job also you can simply get artist, because art is success in itself. We already know, and we are talking about it. Okay, we are happy means that is success only. We are sad means we are not successful. So what is success? First of all, understand what is success. Happiness only happiness. That is success, not money and all the related things that mostly people expected, that big house, a big car. Likewise, that is not a success. Understand what is success first. So success means only happiness. That is success. The man having happiness feeling with him each and every time, interact others happily every time, not taking any type of pressure. He feels himself as a free bird and always ready to share his emotions without pressure. All the activities are nice. He was a nice person, thinking about others. Good citizen, simply hero. That is success. Understand? So forget about the money and other things. Think about the success only. And when any type of art is with you, you are a successful person, obviously. Okay? Come to the next point. Some thoughts about art. Words fall short to explain the importance of art. Definitely, it's very true. We cannot describe the word art in our words. The words fall short naturally. Art is a very vast or very needful, important subject in our life, in our culture. Okay. In your life, there are many opinions, views and thoughts about art. How would you interpret the following statements about art? How can we describe the art? Interpret means describe. How we use our words related to the art. So some lines are there. First one, the aim of art is to clear the dust fallen on our minds in our daily life. The dust fallen on our mind means what? The bad effects which we carry with you always, all the times. We are always keeping that bad things in our mind and try to forget all the things, but don't happens like that. That helps you to keep you away. Wash all the types of dust on your minds in our daily life. Understand? A painting is like a poem without words. So after seeing a painting, uh, we remember nice lines of poems. When we doing that art piece, we are listening to nice music. The environment is cool, nice and good for us. Very positive it is. Likewise, art is a poem in itself too. And we love songs and poems, music naturally. Okay? Art enables us to find ourselves and lose ourselves at the same time. At that same time, we can lose ourselves and we can find ourselves. What is that line means? Very important actually. What this line enables or say tells us? Enables is capable. You can find yourself. You can find what are your likeness and what you have to do in your life, which type of the way you need to go forward in your life. Means you can found you. Or lose ourselves means what? Lose ourselves means we are forget about all the surroundings, all the happenings, all the past things, all the bad things, all presence which is around you. We forget all the things. Simply we are keep our mind included in that art while creating that art, any type of artwork. That means we lose ourselves. We don't remember what is the time. We forget eating. We forget all things. That is losing ourselves. Enjoyment. Simply getting a peaceful mind. Meditation, it is simply meditation. When we are involved in any type of art and doing or watching or enjoying all any type of activity related to that art, that is meditation. Understand? So friends, here some assessments are there. Weightage 20 marks for you. Criteria: great, fine, complete. So great, fine, complete. These are three weightage for you. You have to do 2 points to you only. Okay. And what are the criteria? Creativity in the artwork, writing about the artwork. So creativity in the artwork and writing about the artwork. So creativity is related to you can create any artwork or other artwork, criticize it, analyze this and write the points on it. Okay, first one is great. Creativity in the artwork. Completed all the activities creatively and actively. If you create your own piece, so how you create that art piece? What are that process looks like? What are that experience about you? You have to convert it in 3 stages: great, fine or incomplete. You are keep that art piece incomplete, then no marks at all. Or it is satisfactory, fine. Take less marks out of 20 and it's great. Take out 20 out of 20. It's great. Okay, like that, like that. This art is related to your own art only. And the second criteria is related to other person's art. Understand? Likewise, you can analyze this and getting the points, getting the weightage. And here we see some conversations and his friends. You learn it, you read it, and try to get any nice message from that pictures. Okay. Page number 51 it is. In this way, we completed this number 3 what we say, lesson. Um, so in the next period, friends, we are talking about the next unit um, related to the other point. Now here we have to stop, complete all the activities, loving, caring, enjoying that time, because art is simply great. We are already talking about that, and I think you will know it well now. So it's your duty to complete all the activities related with this art, related to your lesson. Understand? We will stop here. We will meet in the next period. Till then, goodbye, good day, and take care.